Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite recipe, ideas, and tips. This one this morning will be a healthy green smoothie. Anyway, it's Super Sunday green smoothie, and it's a very good recipe for you guys to start the morning with. You know what I mean? This recipe all just cleanse you out and, you know what I mean, purify your blood, be healthy. Everything inside of it is just natural. Talking about like the ginger and the lemon is just beautiful. I know you guys will make this one at home, and I know you guys will love this one, so please subscribe, share, and like my page, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also Google Plus page. 50% off with my cookbook at the moment. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice, I love it. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we're just gonna make you a nice, lovely Super Sunday green smoothie. There's a lot of my recipe, you know what I mean, saying green smoothie, and they look green, but there are different kind of recipe inside of it. But we all know that stick to the green smoothie is really healthy, and you know what I mean, first thing when you, especially when you drink this, the first thing in the morning, give you a lot of energy, purify your blood, and also give you a good start for the day. Anyway, today we want to make you a Super Sunday green smoothie, and honestly, you guys are gonna love this one. And I'm just gonna stick to my real thing that I'm gonna use, but there's just a few little tips and ideas which I'm gonna be sharing into this video with you guys to tell us that this Super Sunday smoothie will be really good. First thing which I want to simply say to you, I have some green apple right here which I just cut up. It's just one apple, and I'm gonna simply pour it straight inside of my smoothie blender like this right here. Next, we're gonna put roughly about a handful of curly leaf or kale. This one you can get it in the supermarket or the local shop to buy. Gonna put just a little bit in it like this. Right here I have some cucumber, just a little piece of a cucumber. Gonna put it straight inside of it. And then some fresh mint, ginger, straight inside of it. And as you can see, all of these ingredients really good for you. Super Sunday smoothie. Really nice. Second thing, gonna just put a few pieces of ice just for coolness inside of it. Then some water. Just a little bit of water, half glass of water. Really good. Then we're gonna put some honey. If it doesn't like honey, you don't need to put. If you can drink it natural, just drink it natural same way. Gonna put roughly a tablespoon of honey just for a slight sweetness. Super Sunday green smoothie, and I know you guys are gonna love this one. Next, squeeze some lemon juice in it for flavor and for taste. Oh, get everything in it, get all the flavor from the lemon. Nice one. Then second thing, we're just gonna be blending this for 4 to 5 seconds. Release. Really easy recipe. Basically, it's just good for start the day like this. You know what I mean? Start the morning. Can't go wrong. Really nice. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this, and then we're gonna show you exactly what we are about with this Super Sunday green smoothie. The green smoothie, as I said before, is just healthy and good for you, and all of these things is just natural stuff, natural ingredients. We're talking about the apple, we're talking about the kale, we talk about the ginger, the lemon, the honey. Everything is natural, and all these things do is just cleanse and purify your blood, especially when you start the morning with a nice green smoothie. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, and subscribe, like, and share. Most important thing for Chef Ricardo, and I know you guys gonna love this one. Anyway, let's get it blended up. All right, nice one. So basically I just finished blend it, and basically I strain my one all the time. Some people ask me, so Chef Ricardo, why you strain this smoothie? But sometimes I like to just drink it like this. Sometimes I drink the 5, I drink everything, but this is the 5 right here, and I strain it. This is the way it look. Really nice. Sometimes this is good for you to go inside of you, but not all the time. Sometimes you have to try to avoid some of the fiber right here, and that's of the green smoothie. So basically I just strain mine, and I'm just gonna serve my one without some ice, just like this. So as I can see, that's exactly what we're talking about right there. As you can see, it looking so lovely and nice, and then this morning you can have something like this to start the morning with, or if you want to have it with the fiver, it's fine. But you know, it's a Sunday, it's a super Sunday morning green smoothie, and you know what I mean, I know you guys will love this one. Very easy and simple to prepare at home. You can make it in your own way where you like to make it, but these are the ingredients which I use in mine. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas and tips coming out for you. Healthy recipe, good for start the Sunday morning with. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team. And see you next time. Bye bye.